Dip the fish in the water, and then put it directly in the hot oil. I assure you that you have been frying the fish badly all your life. With this trick you will avoid burns and that your pot gets dirty. Today I will teach you this incredible trick. For this we will need 500 grams of fish. You can do this trick with any fish or chicken. I'm going to season all the fish, adding a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of oregano, a pinch of black pepper, the juice of a lemon, and I will mix very well to incorporate these species to the fish, although you can season it with the seasonings you have at home or with those of your preference. Guys, this trick with the fish we are doing is super easy to make and is very crispy. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Now I will let it marinate for 30 minutes so that the fish is well seasoned. Meanwhile, in a bowl I will add 4 tablespoons of wheat flour, common all use. I will also add 4 tablespoons of cornmeal, and I will mix these 2 ingredients very well. After 30 minutes marinating the fish, I will pass it through this mixture to bread it well. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means that you are liking this recipe. So leave us here below the following message, "I love fish," to send you a very special greeting. Then, I'm going to dip it in a glass of water and quickly bring it to the hot oil. Friends, the oil should be very hot. With this trick the oil will not splash and the pan will not get dirty. As a sample, I will put my hand on top of the oil so that you can see that it does not splash when passing the fish through water. Now I'm going to turn it over so that it browns on both sides. And look how our fish has been very crispy and golden. I will do the same procedure with the other fish. First I will pass it through the flour, then through the water, and finally through the hot oil. At this moment I would like to know from which country or city you look at us to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Socorro Darakan from Philippines, also for Rosalie Brooks from United States, and Engr Nazir from Pakistan. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. And now our fried fish is ready. Look at how crispy and golden they have been. But I would like you to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 to know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Peace. A hug and see you in the next recipe.